Hi guys, it's Tonya M and I'm back with a new video. This is a unit that Unice sent me over. They sent me over some goodies too. So I got a new robe, hey, and I got a lace melting band, some wig caps, some lashes, and a makeup brush. This is a 24-inch 150 density pre-cut lace unit. Yes, you heard that right, pre-cut, and it's pre-plucked. Very nice lace. It has an adjustable strap on the inside so you can adjust it to your head size. 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and this silicone material on the back of the wig so that it prevents it from slipping. So yeah, this wig is very thick for 150 density. I was really impressed. Let's go ahead and style her. I'm using my Bio Silk to smooth down the hair and to use it as a heat protectant, my Conair barrel curler, and some duck clips so that I can pin the curls out once they're done and I can set them. So you just want to go ahead and not use too much of the serum and just take a little bit, like a dime size, and then spread it over the hair, section out the hair, and pin her up. Then you want to go ahead and do your curls. And this is just a visual tutorial for those who don't know how to do barrel curls. Very easy. Once you have set the curl with the barrel curler, you want to keep it curled up and then secure it with a duck clip. This way it cools and it sets in that position, I guess you could say. So I'm not going to do the whole head, but I did leave this overnight just so you guys know, so the curls can stay a little bit longer and they'll last longer. So you just want to continue this all over the head. Now it's time for the install. This is the next day, and I went ahead and tinted the lace with some of my foundation, and look how easy it's just throw on and go. The lace literally melted right into my head. Right now I'm just readjusting the band to my liking so it's a little bit tighter. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the curls down, but look how they set. I was so happy. So guys, while you finish watching me style the rest of the hair, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more reviews like this. Hit the notification bell also so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. The links will be in the description box below. I also have my own beauty brand page, 1111 Beauty, so check that out. So if you want to buy mink lashes, thank you, bye. Hi guys, I'm back. I hope you really enjoyed that little tutorial slash intro. I just wanted to talk about this unit that I received from Unice. Thank you, Unice, for sending over this unit. I really enjoyed the install. It was so super easy, no glue involved. Just styled and threw her on, as y'all saw. Like, this is 100% glueless and it blends in flawlessly. You don't need to do any baby hairs with this unit. You don't need to glue it down. You could just style her and go. I did some barrel curls, as y'all saw. I did keep them in overnight because I styled it at night and left it in. That wasn't intentional, but I'm curious to see how long these curls will last that I let them set overnight. Of course, I probably will spray some of this. Hold on. I'll spray some Got To Be, just to like give it a little bit of hold, but I'm hoping these will last the whole day. I'm gonna wear it and see. You know, so stay tuned for my Instagram post, so you can follow me on Instagram. I'll give you an update there. I also have a TikTok, so you can go over there and check out other wigs I reviewed. They're both Tonya M _ and they'll be linked in the description box. This wig, a little bit about these wig, I mentioned before that it was 24 inches long. Really nice wig. I can't wait until I can straighten her out and just wear her straight. I love a good throw on and go wig. Obviously, if it's straight, throw on and go. And yeah, the other thing to note about this unit is that it's thick. Like she's not skimpy at all. Like, yeah. There was a similar wig I got like this, and it was a little skimpy. You know, I ended up cutting some bangs into it, but this is thick. Like, this is all ponytail right here. She's a good one, guys. The link to the wig will be in the description box below, along with whatever discount codes they provide. It is big head friendly, so I enjoy. So that's good for the girlies who have a bigger head and want a wig that's gonna fit perfectly. Go ahead with it. Thanks for watching. Bye.